Look straight ahead and just step off. Yeah, no. I don't think I can do that. I don't have enough balls for that.
Talking about, jump off the rock.
On the first video, it's there's a little Chinese girl wearing one of those skirts. Tiny little thing. She'd go up like this to the edge, and then she'd go like this, and then she'd leave. They have so many clips of her going up and going. But she eventually don't. See?